babies, and I've got some people I'd like to introduce you to today.
Hi, I'm Siena Uremovic, also known as Thor.
Hi, I'm Zoe, also known as Dory.
Hi, I'm Lola, also known as Show Sponge. Hi, I'm Lexi, also known as a kid in the house. Oh. Hi, I'm Hollie, also known as Little Bear.
Hi, I'm Amy Keane, also known as Jelly Bean.
Hello, my name is Isabelle Bitsikas, aka Yoshi.
So there we go. We're in assistant class right now, and we're going to give you guys a really quick tutorial on what you most requested, not respected, but you've got to respect it, your backs and your hip flexibility. And we're doing something that I've been focusing on a lot with you guys, so you've probably seen it in photos, but it's been gold for these guys in terms of changing the way that they appear in their jumps and the way that they appear in their jetés, and they look divine afterwards. So we're going to go into this, and I'm going to get these guys to show you the most important thing about hip flexibility. It's one word. Okay, let's go into our partner stretch. I'm going to get Thor to go on her own. So you don't necessarily need a mat like this to do it. You can use a block, which we might talk about in another tutorial. Having a partner is awesome because we're focusing on the back in a different way. Most people say to me, I want back flexibility, and they think they want to be able to go like that, and I go, stop. Focus on what matters first, which is making a beautiful shape with your body and opening up your shoulders. And you can see these guys are all doing this. Keep your neck up nice and tall. Okay, so the person behind is being a stabilizer for them right now. Bend your knees, guys, and sit up really tall for me. And now pull their shoulders back. Try and get your heads nice and tall. Great, now I'm going to say something to them, and I want you guys to watch what their bellies do. Don't do it yet. I'm going to say, pull your belly buttons into your spine, please. And what that's doing is it's taking the stretch now away from this part of the body and it's injecting it into the hip at the front. This is where we want most stretch to happen. And this is where, if we train a lot and we're exceptional athletes, which these guys all are, and I'm sure that you guys are too, you're going to feel tight there. Okay, bend it up now for me. Pull that belly button back. Okay, so we're now going to these guys are going to start to go into the next stage of the stretch, and they're going to use the one word that's the most important word as they stretch. Do you guys remember what that word is? Can you say it to everyone for me?
Adjust.
Adjust. They're going to adjust, which means, let's watch them do it as I talk through, and we'll see if they can. Constantly thinking and moving. It's not just going into the split and stopping. Good, and you can see sponges helping doors. Remember? It's about moving that body and saying to it, nah, I'm the boss of you. You need to do what I say. So when you jump, it remembers it in the air. Bang, like that. Okay, so once they're in this position, it doesn't have to be a flat split because it's the focus on the back leg. I want you to now think about those hips being as square as possible. And these guys are really flexible, crazy kids. But you can see they're struggling. And that's a sign to me that they're doing something good for their bodies rather than being perfect. In fact, I'm going to rewind them a little bit. Can you guys bend that front leg? You're going to go into a gigantic lunge. Okay, so what we've got right now, let's come over to Amy for a second. What we've got right now is focusing on this here, in this back leg, the quad on the back leg. Now she's going to take her hands back. She's going to pull her belly button back into her spine and constantly keep adjusting that position. Now, as she's adjusting that position, you can see her body's going, ah! Yoshi's helping her by being a really good partner and helping her balance. Do you want to hold on to her left shoulder as well, Yoshi, because you're going to start to take that back leg in now. Okay, really slowly, and breathe and hold there. You can see she's shutting her eyes, trying to tell her body to relax. And now we need to think of that hip again, and belly in, there we go. And every time she thinks and changes that position, her body goes away from the split, which I'm happy about because it's not about a flat split, it's about this happening here. Good stuff, guys. Thank you so much. Stand up for me. So just to watch it one more time really quick, let's switch over. Watch it one more time really quick. The first part of this stretch, you get into the lunge. Can you show everyone by tapping the part of the leg that we're trying to focus and stretch here? Give it a tap. That's it, that's not that part of it. That's it, the front of the leg. So there, we want this knee right back away from the foot. We want to think about right back and around, and then from there, and of course the next level for this is always bending the back leg. And you'll see when we bend the back leg, our body will then react and go, help, I don't like you very much. And you have to say that's a good thing, breathe into it, and relax. Excellent stuff. Stand up for me, please, assistants. So, these guys, we're about to go into another part of the class, and these guys have been dancing really full on the last few days. They, did you just do comps like for 2 days in a row? Yeah, national champs. Woo! And then they keep training today, and it is so hot. So thank you very much, girls. Awesome job. Thank you very much. Let's continue with our class. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.